dealing with the cards I've dealt while you're dancing with somebody else. Was it always in your plan to leave eventually? Because to me there's no one else that can make sense to me. The last and final puzzle piece. In a room full of people I look for you. Would you avoid me or would you look for me too? Tell me, is our story true? Or do our hearts still beat into? I've never felt anything like the love from my final days. Why'd you wait to show me you could do it this way? I'll never look at you to say